I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. Today I'm starting the video with a hat on because my hair looks kind of crazy right now, but we're going to get it together before the end of this video. I am going to be showing you all another headband wig, and this one is in the curly texture, and I love headband wigs with the curly texture. This one is by Julia Hair. My last video that I did with them, you all absolutely loved, so I'm really excited to see what this unit is going to look like. I have been rocking a curly headband look like every single day. That is my go-to. All the other textures are really great as well, but the kinky, curly, natural hair wig look, that's more my speed. So I'm really hyped to see what this one is gonna look like. So these are all the headbands that it came with. And I don't know if any of these are gonna match my top. I was in the mood for a bold color today, and I don't know, this top just called for me, and it's so stunning, guys. It's actually from Shein. It was super affordable, but it looks so good. So this is the first headband. It has this cherry design on it, really cute and girly. This one, I actually already have one like this, but it's really pretty. It has a satin material. And then this one with this black and white print is really cool. And then we have this one. I'm probably gonna wear my own headbands for this video because none of these are gonna match, but you do get a sense of the headbands that come in the packaging. Many companies send those for free in your package. Now, all companies don't do that, but I believe Julia Hair is one of those companies that do provide additional headbands. This one is a pearl one. I actually bought one like this on Pretty Little Thing a little while back. Wish I had known because I would have saved my money. So let's see this headband wig, y'all. So the other curly texture unit that I have, it's actually a half wig. It doesn't have the headband in the front. So this is going to be the first curly textured headband wig that I actually have that has a headband attached. Now you can wear this black headband as is, but if you get a headband that's a little more narrow, like maybe that pearl headband that they sent earlier, you can just fold this headband and put it on like that, and then put your other headband on top, and that'll help to cover this black band. This is the Velcro attachment that's used to secure your headband. You just place it on top, and then it's nice and secure. It also comes with additional combs. Now this comb at the top, I typically do not use because it creates a great deal of tension at the top of my head, so I don't like that. It does have a comb at the bottom. Now this one doesn't have combs on the side. I really wish it did because those are the combs that I usually use, but we'll figure out how to make it work. And this texture is really beautiful. I like the way that it looks right out of the package, and it does look like a natural color rather than color 1B. So it does have a brown tint to it, but you can always just dye it black if you want it to be darker. All right, so I'm gonna take this hat off. I don't have my edges done or anything. That's literally why I put the hat on, because y'all, yeah. So I just have a stocking cap in the back. My hair is braided down under, and then I just have this portion just kind of left out and tucked under. I'm gonna slick my edges down first and then actually begin installing the unit. Now, what I like to use, and some of you guys probably are gonna have something to say about there being so many products that I use. You do not have to do this. This is just what works best for me. But I like applying less jam first. And I use this because it's very conditioning, it's very moisturizing, and it helps to slick my edges down and allows for me to mold and manipulate my hair to get it the way that I want it. And then I apply a more strong hold product on top. So I'll either apply my Got2b glue gel, or on those days where I want a lighter hold, I'll just apply some Eco Styler on top. Today, I'll most likely use the Got2b glue gel because I want it to look really sleek and have a strong hold. So I'm gonna go for these two. Really quick before I get started with that, I do want to share that I did get my unit in length 24, so it's rather long. It's probably the longest that I've gotten any of my headband wigs. This is the Malaysian Curly texture. It feels really soft. I like the curl pattern. It does seem to have some layers in the hair, which I can really appreciate, so I most likely won't have to cut it at all. I do believe I am going to go in with some water and conditioner and wash the hair. I'll probably just leave some of the conditioner in the hair as my styler. That's what I generally do with this type of curly texture. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to show you all the process of actually slicking down my edges and everything, and then I'll come back on after I've washed and defined the curls with my detangling brush. And this is the detangling brush I typically use.
I'm a blossom. I don't need a bottom to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I don't mean it this far. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. But you gonna be sorry.
Alright, now that my edges are nice and sleek, I'm going to begin installing the unit. Now, I will say, I was hoping that the curls would be a little more defined and tight. They are on the looser side, but again, it is still wet. I'm actually going to put my diffuser on the inside of the unit and dry it a bit before putting it on my head because it is still very wet.
Little.
Okay, now I'm going to attach the Velcro in the back, and be very careful when you do this so that you don't snag your hair. I do want to share that when I washed the hair that I did experience some resistance. I'm not sure what that was about. It was kind of tangling some. So I did go in with a 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner by Aussie. And this is what it looks like. And the hair felt much better after using that product. I'm not sure why the other conditioner didn't respond well to this hair, but I do want to share I did experience some tangling. So that's just something to keep in mind. This is the amount of shedding that I experienced, which is not a lot for a curly texture. This is actually pretty good. So right now I'm going to diffuse the curls. The hair has air dried for about 10 minutes, but it's still very much so wet, and I expected that. So I'm going to diffuse the hair, but you can let it air dry overnight. I just don't have time to let it air dry longer. I'm going to go in with my diffuser, and I feel like my curly texture units just look so much better when you diffuse the curls. So let's do that now. Alright, so this is what the curls look like after drying the hair for the most part. There are some areas that still are a little damp, but those will dry in a little bit. But the curls look very, very beautiful. I will say that this is a curl pattern that doesn't have as much kink as I would have liked, but it still is a really beautiful curl. The texture is more so on the silkier side. So if you're someone who likes a curly texture but you don't like as much kink, then this is going to be the perfect texture for you. I didn't actually apply any product to this hair aside from the conditioner that I added when I washed it, because I did want it to get a little frizzy so that it would look more so like a kinky curly or a natural hair curl pattern that would match my texture a little better. So this is what it's looking like. I'm not sure if you all can see the frizz, but it's to my liking. I really like the way that it looks this way. And the hair does feel very soft. I like how it feels now that I washed it and everything. I have seen a few comments regarding whether the unit would slide off. I just have the Velcro attached in the back and it's in place. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slide off my head or anything, but you can insert the combs, which I will do now. I'm gonna insert the one in the back. I'm not gonna do the one at the top because I feel like once I add my headband over this one, that's gonna be the security that I need. So for this headband wig, I am gonna use this head wrap that I got from the Natural Me 2011. I believe that's the Instagram name. I'll put it on the screen so you all can see it, and I'll also try to remember to link it in the description box. But this is what it looks like. I really like the style of this one because it's so versatile and you can actually use this part of it to pull your hair up in the back. You could also wear it as a headband in the front. There's just so many different things that you can do with it. And it's a solid color that matches this bold print top. So we're gonna try it out with this headband. I feel like as is with the head wrap like this, I should be able to cover the black headband, but let's test that out now. If not, I can always just open it up so that it's like this and cover it that way. So let's test that out.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out.
So putting it on, the width of this headband doesn't fully cover the black, so I am gonna open it up some.
Make me wanna take you to London, Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you.
See, how cute is that? Y'all, I love these head wraps so much. I've been seeing them a great deal on social media. I bought like 5 of them. So I got it in this mustard color. I got this really cool multicolored one. So I got this one. I got it in this color, which is so pretty. Like, look at that one. I cannot wait to wear that one. I also got this color, which is more of a neutral color. And then I also got this one. These two actually look very similar. I don't know why I got I don't know why I got 2 of these. They look like they're exactly this. Well, they're a little different, only slightly. I might give this one to my twin sister. Wouldn't she love that? Let me sit back so you all can see exactly how it looks. This long, beautiful curly hair.
Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute.
Y'all, I'm really feeling these curls. I wasn't expecting to like it so much because it was silkier, but with the frizz, it looks like a really good natural hair wig, for real. Now let's try putting it up. I've been wanting to try this style where the hair is, oh, let's do a ponytail first. But I've been wanting to try this style where the hair just kind of flows off to the side with a curly texture unit. And then I want to try a high bun. Let's just play around with it and see what we can do.
Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Alicia, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
Y'all, how good does this top knot look? It turned out so well. I love the versatility of this unit as well as how it looked paired with this head wrap. I was able to do so many styles with it. I didn't show you guys all the styles that I could do with this wig, but I do have other headband wig tutorials on my channel with so many different styling options. So you all be sure to check those out. I have a playlist that I'll link down below. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know which style was your favorite. Let me know what you all think about this beautiful headband wig in this gorgeous length and texture. Julia Hair will be having a sale on the 10th and the 11th, I believe. I will have deets down below, so be sure to check that out. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Also like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to your comments and feedback, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.